Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the accordion element. So what exactly is the accordion element? Well, think of it as a digital accordion you might find in music, where you can expand and collapse different sections. In web design, it is a way to present information in a neat and space-saving manner. Here I am in a blank page, and let me drag an accordion element into the page. You see, we can expand and collapse the items of the accordion elements like this. Let's walk through the options the accordion element has to offer. First, we have accordion items. Here you can add an item, duplicate an item, remove an item like this. You can also reorder the items. You can also change the text for each item like this. Next, we have toggle type. You can select it to be single, and the accordion can only open one item at a time, or multiple, so the accordion allows you to open many items at the same time, like this. You can open one item by default. Let me set it to 2, so it will open the second item by default. Next, we have a group of settings for section titles. You can change the font color, background color, or font size, like this. You can change the icon to toggle the items to none, to arrow, or to plus sign, like this. Choose the icon position to left or to right. Icon color, and you will see it looks like this. Go to Advanced tab. You can toggle on and off visibility on desktop, on tablet, or on mobile. You can adjust opacity for the accordion. Set a background for it to a color. Or to an image, like this. You can enable or disable border, box shadow, or animations. Now let me design a frequently asked questions section using the accordion element. First, I will insert a row element into the page and set it to one column. Then insert a heading element inside the row, center it, and change the text to frequently asked questions. I will insert an accordion element into the page. Add some margin top for it. Change the first question to how long does it take to ship my order? The second question to when will my order arrive? And the third one to be how do I check my order? For each question, I will insert a text element inside as the answer, the second one, and the third one. That is how you can design a frequently asked questions section using the accordion element. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.